Alright, so here is my Better Homes and Gardens 12-inch retro table fan. This is now the 1-year update for the fan. Not much has really changed about the fan. Despite me having it for like 1 year now. I think the other two, the pedestal and the 8-inch one, I'm not sure how long I had those two for. The 8-inch one is about to fall off the shelf. Put that back a little bit there. Anyway, this one, I got this fan last year after my graduation for 8th grade. And now, since I'm done with 9th grade, I think it's finally time we do a 1-year update of this fan. And it's just pretty much just the same, despite me having it for 9 years now. So here's the front. Base is still nice and clean, I guess. Blades are not too bad. They could definitely be cleaned still. There's a hair on my camera. The badge is not too bad. Cord has been intact since. Oops. Back of it. Motor housing is getting a little bit dirty. It's not that, like I said, it's not too bad. Base is starting to get dirty down here. Better Homes and Gardens emblem. It's mostly right here where the fan is getting dirty. I probably won't clean this fan anytime soon unless I get like a wrench and a screwdriver. But it's not too bad. But anyway, 1-year update on this fan. Here's high. As you can tell, not much difference from when I first got the fan. It still performs the same. But like before, this fan is shaking quite a lot. So there's high. This is medium. And low. Starts to rattle a little bit on low. It starts to shake a little bit more. There's the oscillation. Not too bad considering the fan shakes a little bit here. Yeah, so I'm actually impressed with this fan. This fan is already 1 year old and it still runs perfectly fine. So, yeah, thanks for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.